Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back at it, dollar cost averaging everything daily. Today we're buying some stocks on Cash App. Okay, so this is Cash App. If you don't know what it is, check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. If you sign up with the link in the description, you can get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. Bitcoin going down a little bit today, but let's go to the stock section, which is also going down 5%. See if we can get to a weekly chart here. So looking kind of scary on the weekly, but that's okay. We're just gonna keep buying, keep dollar cost averaging. That's what we do. We just buy a little bit each day, low stress. You know, if we look at a longer chart, we've had a good run here, so maybe we could expect a little bit of a bigger pullback. Let's just buy like $1 of some stuff today. So everything is down today. Snapchat, buying $1 of that for show. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next. Scan my fingerprint, tap confirm, and just like that, we've added some Snapchat. So let's buy some Neo. So the best thing about dollar cost averaging is that it's low stress. You know, I'm only investing a little bit. I'm not throwing a huge sum of money in here where I have to worry. Just buying a little bit each day. You know, if the market tanks, I'm not in a bad position. I'm still okay. If the market goes up, that's great, but you kind of buy an aggregate of prices. Tesla. And Twitter. So there we have it. Just bought $6 of stocks. Dang, some of these are down a lot today. Beyond Meat down over 20%. But pretty much everything down today. Looks like a pretty rough day for the stock market. But that's okay, we'll just keep casually buying. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.